To upload a new avatar, firstly, log into Imgur by navigating to the website and entering your account credentials. Secondly, click on Profile. Once logged in, locate your username, typically in the top right corner, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you should select Profile. Thirdly, click on Edit Profile Picture. On the right side of your profile page, you will see your current avatar. Below it, there is an Edit Profile Picture button. Click on this. Fourthly, choose a picture to upload. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Choose Files button and select the picture you want to upload as your new avatar. Fifthly, crop and adjust the picture if needed. Once the picture is uploaded, you can crop or adjust it to your liking using the tools provided within the pop-up window. Sixthly, click on Save. When you are satisfied with the picture, click on the Save button to finalize the changes. Seventhly, refresh the page. Your new avatar will now be displayed on your profile page. You may need to refresh the page to see the changes take effect. It is recommended to use an image that is 128 by 128 pixels for optimal display. Supported file formats include JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Ensure that the picture you choose is clear and easily recognizable. Consider using a professional headshot or an image that represents your interests or personality to make your avatar more engaging and reflective of who you are.